Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Subscriber request, Robinhood. There's not much to talk about, but I'll go over it. We're stuck in sideways consolidation. You can pretty much see the key levels. It's sort of a descending triangle situation here. So, yeah, I don't even like that, but oh boy. Don't even know what to say about this one. Let's just see. Let's just see what we can come up with, because it's in this consolidation, so extend it to the right, please. There we go. Here's one side. There's your defining point. Defining point of 42.84. I just really use the harmonic level 39.72 as the bottom. 42.84 as the descending trend line, or the upper aspect of this descending triangle. So that's your first thing. That's pretty much above the rotation zone. Not that the rotation zone really matters when we're in the consolidation, but it coming in at the same point is easy. You start getting a move above there. You know how I dislike triangles, whether they're ascending, descending, symmetrical, or everything else. We have this little advanced clear path move. And funny enough, this is the 50 EMA that's just getting enough data to come in. And the target of the advanced clear path is roughly right there. So 44.93. So on a move to the upside, I'd be watching for 44.93. Above there, we have 46.19. I'd be watching for a close above there. Close above there, 47.84. Then the harmonic levels projected from the low on the 14th of September to the high on the 23rd. 48.92, 49.99. That 48.92, if you're just breaking out there to the upside, you're still in this consolidation. The upper end of the consolidation, that would be a good area to raise stops. And would not ignore this 49.99 just because it's right in front of that $50 mark. And people love those round numbers for some reason, but they put orders and they use them to rest orders on, and it's a harmonic level, and it's this upper end of this consolidation. So those are all the things, the upside. You get above that, we still have the reverse harmonics on, so 50.99 is the next target. Cluster area 52.46 to 52.66 and 53.93. Those are all the levels, the upside. I'd only start getting interested if this can get above the defining point into this advanced clear path move. And remember, your first target then is around that 44.93. Interesting again how most of the targets are right in front of the whole numbers. To the downside, your key supports coming in about 40.10, 39.72 to 40.10. If you start getting a close below 40, and if you want to be conservative, 39.72, then it's breaking out of this this support, which is pretty key. Your targets to downside 37.76, 36.29. The all-time low is 33.25, set back on the 30th of July. And if it does break down, you are into another clear path move with an eventual target right around 34.93, so at 35. So if you drop below 36.29, your next target is, I'd just make it 35. But there's no real stopping points. And your only real stopping point is 37.76, and your key open from the IPO open was 38. So 37.76 to 38 is, if you start breaking down, that's the only real support level in this whole downward move. So keep that in mind should it break down out of this consolidation. Other than that, don't have much to talk about with Robinhood. So hope everyone's having a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye for now.